This transition to AI is coming. Every company needs it. I thought the workshop was very useful.
This session was good combination of AI and business. Where to get started was something that I got an answer to here.
As a founder, sometimes we have to move faster. I can totally hire the presenters and 30 minutes of the time, and he can exactly help me to solve my problems.
It was just right, just what I needed to think about from the bigger picture point of view. I come from tech background, given that there was such a diverse crowd, and I thought it was amazing.
What I was trying to get out of this workshop is to both understand some of the fundamentals as well as what type of resources might we need. What are some ways in which we can quickly prototype? And from there, what would we need to do to get to a production level that we can use to serve our customers? They did a wonderful job in terms of answering questions, balancing the detail level needed for technical and non-technical individuals, which allows both executives who may want to sort of get to the bottom line and sort of what is the ROI, how do I get it, as well as the technical experts within an organization.
I am combining poetry with technology and AI, and I'm building a technology that will help poets by giving them AI-driven feedback.
As a non-tech founder, I was really looking forward to this event. Like today's session, I asked a lot of questions. The presenter has been really professional and been very patient asking questions.
It's a mental health startup. I intend to integrate it with AI because you can go to a therapist once a month or once a week, whichever you can afford, to make it more engaging on a daily basis, can help themselves and stay on track.
I thought the answers that Ankur gave around preparing organizations for that, talking to your executives about ROI, and then building a product that your customers actually want, those are really valuable for me.
Specific directions on how to go about it, how to avoid hallucination.
It's a good mix of tech people and non-tech people. You're showing your demos, and showing all these examples, so you kind of really to understand, you can ask him questions.
I can use all this information that he shared.
Thank you so much for putting up this event and meeting with wonderful people.